Hi Emily, this is Jamie from Creative Cables here. We've got Andrew in front of you on this video. Andrew's going to quickly show you how we would take apart the black metal socket. Well, we have a black metal socket. It really doesn't matter what color. But the outer metal socket, which is this portion, Andrew's going to point to it right here, that metal socket, and get the black inner thermoplastic socket out. So first thing he's doing, you'll see, is he's unscrewing what we call the strain relief. He's pulling it down some so that he can get out the black metal thermoplastic. And you see that. I want to, this is an important part. There's a little notch inside. Let's see, we're going to zoom in here. Andrew, if you can show me. If you hold it down a little bit more, Andrew. Up down here some. See right here. There's a point to where it is there, Andrew. All right, right there, Andrew's pointing with, he's got a little flat-nosed screwdriver, and there's just a little thing you push down with that screwdriver, then you twist. So you just push it down, and you twist. And you have to do this probably anywhere from 3 to 5 times. You push it and then twist. And what it is, it's just a simple little spring lock that's in their mechanism so that the thermoplastic cap doesn't pop off. So, as you can see, Andrew's he's still working on this one. This one's a little
really
tougher.
tightened this one down.
But now he's got that off. Now what he's going to do is he's going to push a little bit of the cable. He just pushed this cable through it a little bit to give himself some room to work. Now you'll see that inside there's a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. Here what Andrew's doing is unscrewing the white wire, the connection, that's the neutral, and the black wire, the positive. We're actually not even going to need, in your situation, because this part of the cap that you have, the top part, should be completely undamaged from the heat. What actually was damaged in your situation was just this little piece right here. So we're going to leave the green part. There's a little screw in here for the green. We're going to leave that still attached because we think we can use this. You can reuse that without any problem. Now, if you open that up and you see there's some issues inside, we're sending you a whole piece, so you can replace this if you want, but I don't believe you'll have to. If you do replace it, Andrew's showing you right there where you'd unscrew the green. Yeah, so that's where you loosen that up, pull out the green cable. You'll need little needle nose pliers to stick that green cable in and out. So he's got everything off. So this is what you do to put it back together. You'll get your new piece, which is this piece right here. You'll insert the black cable goes into the side that has a brass piece on it. Andrew, can you kind of show the difference between these two? So you'll see this is the brass color. The black line goes into right there. The white line goes into this side. Now he's just tightening down the wire there. If your wire is damaged there, you may want to strip it a little further if needed. But again, I'm going to assume it's probably in good shape actually. So he's just tightening those down. Now he's going to push the top cap down some and put that fitting. It kind of, you'll see that it kind of fits a certain way. And just twist on the cap. And you'll hear, usually it'll be a little clicking. That's that little locking mechanism going in place. So what he's doing is lining it up. And there's a little trick to this sometimes too. If you can't get it, you can hold it by the cable and just kind of jostle it sometimes and it'll go in. We're going to send you an additional strain relief though in case this is messed up. So all he's doing is putting this back into place. He's retightening it. While he's tightening it, he's kind of holding the inner socket there. You can't see it, but his thumb is holding that inner socket where it won't rotate when he's twisting the strain relief in place. And there are all these little tabs. He's just kind of getting those tabs inside the top before he twists it. So there we go, twisting it nice and tightly. And you've got a completed socket ready to go. Now, of course, make sure you turn your power off, go to the breaker, turn the breaker off so that you're not doing this while the electricity is on. That would be a major problem. But that's how we make it. And thanks, Andrew.
No problem.